This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming where the SDK is currently pointed so you know what to change. Check Android Home or Run SDK Manager list. Once you see the root path, create a new folder in your home directory, such as /home/u/android/SDK or C, /users/u/android/SDK. Make sure you own that folder. Change ownership or permissions now so later steps won't fail. This avoids placing SDK at Filesystem root, which Android tools forbid, and it prevents permission errors during installs. You next perform the actual migration. Copy the SDK contents using rsync or robocopy to preserve permissions and timestamps. Do not delete the original until tests pass. Once copied, update your environment variables, Android Home and Android SDK root, to the new folder in /bashrc, /zshrc, or Windows System settings. Then open Android Studio and Gradle settings and point them to the new SDK path. Make sure the IDE recognizes platforms and tools. This prevents builds from referencing the forbidden root location. You finish by validating the change. Run SDK Manager list and then a Gradle build like /gradlu assemble to confirm tools work from the new location. If you see permission denied errors, immediately recheck folder ownership and executable flags, fix them with chown and chmod. If Android Studio stubbornly points to the old root path, invalidate caches, restart the IDE, and reopen project settings to reselect the SDK. One key tip: if problems persist, temporarily set Android SDK root in your CI or terminal session to test quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.